let me show you my cage real quick. It's been a while, and some of you new followers probably didn't see this when I installed the new cage, or the cage. And it's not really a cage, it's like a roll bar, but this is by Eimer Engineering, and it's got two X's, right? X in the middle or the back, and an X right here. So typically he just has one diagonal, but it just looks so much cooler with an X. So I just asked him, like, hey, can you add weight and just do the X right there? Is it stronger? Maybe marginally, but it just looks so much cooler. And the reason why I build cars is I want them to also look cool. So way back in the day, I did the ice removal for all the sound deadening, and see how like clean this is. There's no scrape marks, there's no nothing, there's no scratches. I mean, here we had like a spare tire set up, so there's some scratches right here, but over here, if you do your ice removal right, it comes out super nice. And this is pretty much my interior right here. There's really nothing back here, and this doubles as like the strut brace. See that? So it installs right there, 1, 2, and then on the floor 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a backing plate. So never install a roll bar without a backing plate, because it's kind of just useless. If you crash, it'll just blow a hole through there. But look how clean this looks, dude. So nice. And you might be curious what that bottle is. That bottle right there is for my fire suppression by Lifeline, and that's just in case I get a little careless at the track or something blows up or a fuel line bursts. Then I can just adjust it, I can just deploy it right there. And the controls right there in the middle with that red switch. And then this is my dome light, my trusty snap-on work light. I don't have a dome light, so I just have that on there. And then my ECU is a pretty fun tour, because I haven't done this in a while. It's my ECU. It's basically what is that, P73 stock Type R. I actually sold my Mugen to a buddy of mine, because I'm gonna actually swap that out to a Haltech soon. So yeah. And then I got a cup holder. I'm not sure if you guys saw my cup holder. Pretty freaking legit, right? I think that's by JSP. I bought that like a long time ago. And then I got my little shifter right here from IRP. It's super short, dude. I love that shifter. And then this Honda badge is just a random Honda badge that I found at Tokyo Auto Salon. So I slapped it on here. I know people ask, like, what kind of dash is this? Is that a super rare dash with a Honda logo? No, bro, it's just a freaking logo that I slapped on there. And then this is a Element little fire extinguisher. Does it work? I don't know, but I just have an extra one just in case someone's in trouble. And then, yeah, the doors right here, this is just tape. Someone asked me where I found color matching tape. It's literally just white tape. And then Zoom engineering mirror. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Pretty cool. This is made for a right-hand drive. That's why the shape is wonky, but it still works for our cars. And then obviously my Momo Monte Carlo 320mm. Got a legit spoon cluster right there. Really expensive cluster that I use at the track and the canyons, and now it's dusty. And then Works Bell quick release and ASR spacer right there. And then I got some Schroth belts. I'm actually gonna swap these out to Lifelines later. So I like it because it's yellow, but yeah. And then Brid Lomax, these are the Zeta 4s. I think Zeta 4s. They're pretty good, really supportive.